Right, Carlos, I'm just gonna give Daddy a wee kiss in the night. No, come on, we need to share, Daddy. I'll just give him one, okay? Just one.
Acting like Puppy's the CEO of affection, and my boyfriend's the intern.
Okay, now mommy.
Nope.
Now you try and put it towards me.
Guess who's not getting the belly rub tonight?
Yeah, boy.
Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it?
Someone's got a new best friend. Am I the third wheel here?
Oh my god. Really? Really? I can't even kiss mommy.
Why doesn't Doggo act like my boyfriend is the biggest celebrity in the world? The dedication, the fun. No wonder why they matched. You're here for the movie, but apparently the dog's here for the snuggles.
Do you know how much I love you? Oh. I love you more than everything.
When you realize your dog is getting more attention than you.
Wow. Very nice. Teddy, it's me. Oh.
He's the only girl you have to compete in your relationship.
Say, I need you to put the cat down. Please. Ask him nicely.
Shepherd, I'm here for the view. And for stealing your spot on the raft, girl.
Oh.
Guess who is in a committed relationship and who's the third wheel? Puppy, I don't need your approval, human. This lap is mine now.
This is my boyfriend Derek. This is Derek's boyfriend Ben.
Hey! Oh! Wait, sorry, what's the situation?
What do you mean?
How does this work?
Whoever got his snack got his heart. Deal with it. I started to think that they were planning a future together. When your dog greets your boyfriend like he's been away for 5 years. Alright, puppy, you won. You're his emotional support.